Hi everyone, I'm Jules with ZUGO Bike, and we're going to show you how to switch out your controller and to put a new one in. First, before you get started, the number one thing you have to do is remove the battery, or you're not going to be able to get to the 4 nuts holding down the seat. Pull out the battery. The second step is removing the seat. Let's get started. There are 5 screws underneath the seat that we have to remove. Let's get those out. Once you get them out, make sure you don't lose them like I just did. They're pretty big nuts, so this is what's holding on the top of the seat. And then just pull up the seat. This is how you get the front seat off. So these controllers are taped in pretty well. So you kind of have to lift it up to move the tape. So if you see right underneath here, you'll see that there's a lot of sticky tape holding this controller down. So just be very careful not to destroy it completely. So how you have to do this, you have to just pull it off. We have to make sure not to bend these pins. So this is the next one we're going to do. So when it comes to this cable here, you need to press this in order to remove that. It's pretty easy. Every connector should have its own corresponding connector. There should not be any duplicates. See how the green is attached to the green. The blue is attached to the blue. The yellow is attached to the yellow. On this one, make sure this is lifted up. This one's a lot harder to get, but you can pull this off pretty easy. Same thing with this one, the last one. Pull this up, disconnect it. So now that you have your controller out of your Rhino, we're going to send this back to our team. We will be providing you with a return label. Stick it in the envelope, close up the envelope, put the label on, and that's it.